Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, I'm going to introduce you to Sleep Mode. Sleep Mode is a powerful feature developed by the team here at Repricer.com to allow you to pause your repricing at specific points of the day and also increase your price to its maximum. This extremely powerful feature allows you to compete at specific points of the day, but also allows you, by increasing your price to max at specific points in the day, to push competitors' prices up rather than remaining low. In order to set up Sleep Mode, we need to open your repricing rule. To do this, go to Repricing Rules on the left-hand side of your screen. Then open the rule you'd like to edit. You'll find Sleep Mode in the Advanced tab. Just scroll to the bottom. When you turn on Sleep Mode, you get to determine a start and an end time. Between the two times you select, repricing will continue, but we won't upload any of the price changes to Amazon. This allows you to remain competitive as soon as you come out of Sleep Mode. During this time, you can also reset your price for these products to their max price. This is how we pull your competition's price up. Just bear in mind that whatever times you set are in your own time zone rather than the time zone of the marketplace. And this is just one more powerful feature offered by Repricer.com. Explore some of the other YouTube videos we have to see some of the other features we're offering. And if you haven't yet started your own Repricer.com trial yet, we're offering 14 days completely free to try it out. Alternatively, you can book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.